Okay, welcome to the 11th lesson of my elementary series. Today I want to look at comparisons, how we compare two different nationalities or two different cities. Compare means sравнить, comparison, сравнение. So, we have one syllable adjectives. One syllable means one sound in the word, like big, small, hard, fast, soft, safe. These are one syllable adjectives. Cheap, hot, one sound. Okay, if we want to say cheap, if we want to say дешевле, cheap is дешевый. But if you want to say дешевле, you just add er with one syllable words. Okay, so cheap becomes cheaper. For example, London is cheaper than Moscow. Okay, I say London is cheaper than, I'm going to write this on the bottom here, London is cheaper than. Now remember this word than, it's very important. It's like чем, London is cheaper than Moscow. Don't forget it because we always use it. Okay? But if you want to say sami дешевый, you need to use the and you need to add est on the end of the word. So the biggest, the smallest, the cheapest, the hottest. So for example, the hottest country I have been to is Egypt. Okay? So that's how you make it sami, the biggest, the smallest, the cheapest. If we take two syllable words, two syllable means two sounds, but two syllable that end in y, dirty, funny, happy. What we need to do is take off that y and add ier to make it грязнее. And if you want to say sami грязный, you need to add the and then add iest. Okay, the dirtiest. So maybe the dirtiest city in the world. I don't know. What do you think it is? Okay. Same for happier, the happiest, funny, funnier, the funniest. If we look at other words which are two syllables which don't end in y, crowded, modern, or three syllables like expensive or dangerous, then we say more expensive, more dangerous. We need two words now for дороже, more expensive, and опаснее, more dangerous. You need to add two words on here. And if you want to say самый дорогой or самый опасный, you need to say the most expensive, the most dangerous. Okay, you need three words. So lots of words for when the words are big words. And maybe you can say Moscow is more expensive than St. Petersburg, or Tokyo is the most expensive city in the world. I don't know. Now, why do we have a double consonant here? Why do we have one T here and two T's here? The answer is we have a word which has a consonant, H, a vowel, O, and then a consonant, T. Now consonants and vowels are just A, E, I, O and U. Okay, in English, A, E, I, O and U. Consonants are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, many others. So because we have consonant, vowel, consonant, double the consonant, double the T. The same for big. Big has consonant, vowel, consonant. Consonant B, vowel I, consonant G, and so it goes to bigger with two G's. Okay? And the same for when you say shopping, swimming, they also double the consonant for the same reason. Okay, so to practice, try to think, try to answer my questions. Do you think Moscow is colder than St. Petersburg? Remember than when you answer. So I think St. Petersburg is colder, usually, than Moscow. Okay? You can answer my question, which city is cleaner? I don't know. I have never been to St. Petersburg, but I think many of you have. So which city is cleaner? Which city is more expensive? Which city is more crowded? Which city is... Many other questions you can ask. Which city has more traffic? Okay, remember this word more and less, because this is also really with comparatives. More and less. Very useful. Okay, what's the hottest country you have ever been to? I said earlier the hottest country I have been to is Egypt. In which country do you think people are the happiest? I was reading that people in Indonesia are the happiest. I don't know, maybe it's true, maybe not. I have never been there. And number 5, are men better drivers than women? Now here we have our first irregular adjective. There are 2 important irregular adjectives and many more. Well, not many, but a few more. Not many. Here are 2 irregular ones, good and bad. So we use these very often because you want to say luce y hůře quite often in English. And notice that they are irregular in Russian just as they are irregular in English. Good, better, the best. Bad, worse, the worst. So maybe you say, maybe you think men are better drivers than women, but maybe you think women are safer drivers than men. Okay, I hope that's clear. If you have any questions, this is a lot of information. Please ask me under the video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you've enjoyed this lesson and would like to receive more over the next few weeks. Here are some videos on phrasal verbs, auxiliary verbs, tenses, and verb forms as well, like gerunds and 2+ infinitive. Please watch them and try the quizzes below the videos, and I hope that you improve.